Hello everyone, as you know, I have been showing you many profitable strategies using single or combined indicators in my educational videos so far. I'm sure our followers who have been following our channel since day one and watching the videos without skipping, even reviewing the parts they didn't understand, have gained a significant amount of experience. In fact, I am delighted to hear from some of my followers who reached out to me on my Twitter account at @tunk_TG that they started to make profits after applying the strategies they learned from the tutorials. I would like to emphasize once again to all my friends who follow my channel that I perform backward tests of all the strategies I share here and ensure that the success rate is high when they are applied correctly. However, there is no strategy or indicator invented yet that can guarantee profits in every trade. Our goal is to increase our capital by following the rules of the strategies we learned in a controlled manner. Of course, there will be losing trades, but with discipline, patience, and adherence to the rules, your investment will surely succeed. Without further ado, in this video, I will try to teach you a method that we can trade without using any indicators. Let's get started by subscribing if you haven't already and hitting the like button firmly. Let's go. We will engage in a very simple yet powerful trading strategy. As you can see, there is a clear upward trend here. We take our trend line from within our tools and draw a trend line, being careful to pay attention to the areas where the needles and bodies of the candlesticks make maximum contact with the lower level. When drawing the trend line, make sure not to cut through the bodies of the candlesticks. The upward trend is still continuing strongly. We are aiming to identify a reversal formation. And a double top formation has emerged. In fact, the selling group in the market intervened aggressively, pushing the price down from this double top formation. However, this selling pressure still within the overall upward trend. Therefore, opening a short position carries high risk as long as our trend line is not broken. We are waiting. Yes, our major trend line has been broken at this point. Now, we are observing the price movement for a while to ensure that this is not a bear trap. The downward pressure has increased. Now, we will wait for a slight retracement and then draw our Fibonacci tool from the peak level to the trough level where the retracement occurs. As you can see, the price touched the trend line and reversed. In fact, a downward reversal occurring between the Fibonacci 0.5 to 0.6 on 8 levels to strengthen the possibility of the start of a potential downtrend. We will have a suitable right candle entry level. We can place the stop loss level above the recent swing. It can be considered to use a wider stop loss level, which will depend on the trader's preference. As a target, we will use the Fibonacci 2.13 level. Of course, until reaching this level, partial profits can be taken gradually if the Fibonacci 1.13 and 1.618 levels are reached, as these levels are significant levels, with the potential for a significant reversal in the trend, shaping it according to your risk tolerance will be your choice. We hit the target perfectly. We entered the trade from such a strong candlestick that we reached the target directly, without touching the stop loss area. Now let's look at an example of a long position. A trough level has formed, along with a double bottom formation. This indicates that the trend is likely to start an upward movement. Once again, we draw a trend line by paying attention to maximum contact with the candlesticks. We also draw the Fibonacci tool from the trough level to the peak level within the trend. This way, we will create a metric measure for our target. As we mentioned in our previous videos, it is essential to have a risk-reward ratio of at least 1 to 1.5 or higher. You can use Fibonacci ratios as stop loss and target levels. And once again, we made a profitable trade in this video. I showed examples of both short and long trades. If you had any questions or concerns, please write them in the comments section. And don't forget to hit the like button. It's the only source of motivation for me. Goodbye for now.